All eyes are on the Ministry of Coal for the final approval to restart coal mining in Meghalaya through scientific methods. Addressing the issue, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma revealed that public hearings were conducted a few months ago in 3 locations as part of the process to begin scientific coal mining. He said that following these hearings, the files were reviewed by the Forest Department and Pollution Control Board. They have now reached the Ministry of Coal in New Delhi for a final clearance.
So the public hearing for the scientific coal mining in 3 locations took place about 2 months back, and after that again the file has gone back to the Forest and the Pollution Board, and necessary clearances have been given now from the Environment Department, Forest and Environment Department and Pollution Board, and now the files have reached Delhi. The Coal Ministry in Delhi is now going to give the final, after seeing all the approvals that have been given by the different departments of the central government, the different departments of the state government. Now the final approval and the stamp is given by the Coal Ministry.